How to build a profitable business from home. Let me start with a bold truth. Right now, someone with less money than you, fewer skills than you, and absolutely no connections is building a profitable business from home. They're not smarter. They're not luckier. They're not waiting for the perfect time. They just started. Most people never reach financial freedom because they spend their whole life believing they need permission to begin. But you don't. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a business from home that can change your finances and your life, starting from where you are with what you have. Welcome back to Finance Compass, the place where we break down money, wealth, and financial freedom into simple steps anyone can follow. If you're new here, you're in the right place. Because today, you're going to learn the exact roadmap to start and grow a profitable business from home, even if you feel unprepared, inexperienced, or unsure where to begin. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right business model, how to start with zero money, how to get your first paying customers, how to scale your income over time, and how to build something that lasts. And if you love practical financial strategies that actually work, make sure to tap that like button and subscribe. It tells YouTube that this kind of content matters. But let's jump straight in. The foundation. What most people get wrong about starting a business. Most people think starting a business means writing a 30-page business plan, building a website, printing business cards, and investing thousands up front. No, that's the slowest and riskiest way to begin. A real business, especially one you start from home, begins with one thing: solving a problem people are already paying for. That's it. Money doesn't care about your logo. Money doesn't care about your brand colors. Money doesn't care about how long you planned. Money flows to solutions. Once you understand that, building a business becomes simple. Not effortless, but simple. Now, let's walk through the exact steps. Step 1. Identify a problem you can solve, not a business idea. Forget business ideas. They're too vague. Focus on problems. A problem is something someone would pay money to get rid of. People pay for convenience. People pay for time. People pay for expertise. People pay for confidence. Your business begins where these needs meet your ability. To help you identify that match, here are 3 categories home businesses are built from. 1. A skill you already have. Writing, video editing, graphic design, tutoring, coding, cooking, cleaning, organizing, fitness training, hair and beauty. The skill doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be valuable to someone. 2. A skill you can learn quickly. Social media management, creating digital products, drop shipping, email marketing, virtual assistants, selling on marketplaces like Etsy. Most of these you can learn for free online within weeks. 3. Something you enjoy doing that others find difficult. Maybe you love planning events. Maybe you're great at creating spreadsheets. Maybe you're good at explaining things simply. This passion, your ability mix often becomes a profitable business because other people hate doing what you naturally enjoy. Let me give you a real example. A young woman named Maya loved organizing people's closets. She didn't think it was a talent. She thought it was just something she did for fun. One day, her friend jokingly said, "I'd pay you to do mine." That one comment turned into a full home organizing business. Today, she makes over $5,000 a month helping people declutter their homes. This could be you. Your opportunity is probably already in your life. You just haven't seen it yet. Step 2. Validate your business before you waste time or money. Most people fail because they fall in love with their idea instead of testing it. You don't need to build a website. You don't need a logo. You don't need perfect branding. Not yet. You need proof that someone will pay you. Validation is simple. Ask yourself, can I find even 1 to 3 people willing to pay me for this? If yes, you have a business. If no, adjust your offer. Here's the easiest validation test. The 3-person rule. Within 7 days, try to get any of the following. 1 paying client. 1 person who says, "I need this." 1 clear sign of demand. Tell people your service. Post on social media. Message a few friends. Share it in relevant online groups. If you get a positive response, your idea is validated. Here's an example. A guy named Ben wanted to offer podcast editing from home. Instead of building a website, he simply messaged 20 small podcasters on Instagram saying, "Hey, I love your show. I'm offering podcast editing for $30 an episode. Want to try 1 episode for free?" 8 of them said yes. 3 became paying clients. Ben validated his entire business in 1 week, and he now earns a full-time income. You can do the same. Step 3. Craft a simple, irresistible offer. People don't buy skills. They buy outcomes. If your offer is confusing, people won't buy it. If your offer is clear, people say yes immediately. Here's how to create an irresistible offer. 1. Make the outcome obvious. Grow your business on social media. I'll clean your house so you save 3 hours a week. I'll manage your emails so you're less stressed. 2. Make the timeline simple. 30 days, 2 weeks, 7 days, 24 hours. Humans love predictable results. 3. Make the price easy to understand. $50 per logo, $200 per month, $30 per video, $10 per page. Not too many options, not too many packages. Simple sells. Example offer. I'll manage your TikTok account and help you grow your first 1,000 followers in 30 days for $300. Clear, easy, believable. Nobody needs to think about it. They either want it or they don't. That's the goal. Step 4. Get your first 5 customers using the FAST method. Throw out the old idea of marketing. You don't need ads. You don't need complicated funnels. You just need a simple way to get in front of people who already need your solution. Here is the FAST method. F. Friends and family. Message 20 to 30 people you know. "Hey, I'm offering, do you know anyone who needs this?" You're not begging. You're informing. O. Audience groups. Facebook groups. LinkedIn groups. Discord communities. Subreddits. WhatsApp groups. You'd be shocked how many people immediately respond. S. Social proof. Share any small win online. I'm offering web design services. Just finished my first logo. Who needs help with content creation? People respond to momentum. T. Targeted outreach. Find people who already need what you do and message them directly. Example. If you offer video editing, message 30 small YouTubers. If you offer bookkeeping, message local businesses. If you offer tutoring, message parents groups. One message can change everything. Here's a real story. A man named Isaac got fired from his job and started doing simple logo designs from home. His first 3 customers came from posting a simple Facebook message. New service. I'm creating simple business logos for $40. Message me if you need one. That post got shared 40 times. Isaac booked 16 clients that month. He now runs a full-time design business. You're 1 message away from your first sale. Step 5. Deliver great results and get repeat customers. Once you get your first customers, your next goal is consistency. If you do great work, people will refer others. If you deliver on time, clients stay longer. If you communicate clearly, people trust you. People think businesses grow from advertising. In reality, they grow from reputation. Here are 3 principles to keep clients happy. 1. Over-communicate. Message them updates, confirm deadlines, share progress, ask questions. Silence makes people nervous. Communication makes people confident. 2. Deliver earlier than promised. If you say 3 days, deliver in 2. If you say Monday, send it by Sunday night. Small surprises create loyal customers. 3. Ask for referrals, but only after you deliver value. Say this: if you know anyone who needs, feel free to send them my way. I'd love to help. That one sentence can double your business. Step 6. Raise your prices as your skill grows. Beginners undercharge because they're scared. Experienced people undercharge because they're comfortable. Pros charge more because they know the value they bring. Here's the truth. Your prices should increase every time these three things happen. You deliver consistent results. You improve your skill. Demand increases. If your workload is full, raise your prices. If people say yes too quickly, raise your prices. If you're making people money or saving them time, raise your prices. The goal is not to work more. The goal is to earn more per hour. Step 7. Systemize your work and turn your business into passive income. Once your business is generating money, you're ready for the next stage. Systems. Systems turn a side hustle into a full income. Systems turn time-based work into scalable work. Systems turn stress into structure. Here are 3 systems every home business needs. 1. A system for getting clients. This could be posting weekly, sending outreach messages, or collecting referrals. 2. A system for doing the work. Templates, scripts, checklists, automated tools. The more systems you build, the faster you work, and the more money you make. 3. A system for tracking money. Track income, track expenses, track profit, track taxes. This is how your side hustle becomes a real business. Step 8. Scale your income, even beyond your time. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to expand. You can grow your business in 3 ways. 1. Raise prices. The simplest method: charge based on value, not time. 2. Offer premium services, higher-end packages, monthly retainers, one-on-one coaching, personalized solutions. People pay big money for premium results. 3. Create passive income streams, digital products, templates, courses, memberships, ebooks. This is where wealth begins. One woman I helped started offering Canva templates for small businesses. She used to earn $300 a week doing graphic design. But once she created templates and put them online, she started making money while she slept. Passive income does not come first. It comes after you build skills and systems. But once it comes, it changes everything. Step 9. Build the mindset that makes wealth inevitable. Here's something no one talks about. The biggest obstacle in starting a business from home is not money. It's not knowledge. It's not competition. It's fear. Fear of failing. Fear of looking stupid. Fear of trying. Fear of being judged. But here's the truth. Nobody successful started confidently. They started scared, unsure, and unprepared. Exactly where you are right now. The difference is they acted anyway. Wealth is rarely built through comfort. It's built through discomfort repeated until it becomes normal. If you can stay consistent for 90 days, everything in your life can change. Your income, your confidence, your opportunities, your future. You are one decision away from a completely different financial life. Let's recap the path to building a profitable business from home. Pick a problem you can solve. Validate it with real people. Create a simple, irresistible offer. Use the FAST method to get your first clients. Deliver great results to build trust. Raise your prices as your skill grows. Build systems so you can scale, expand into premium services and passive income. Develop the mindset that keeps you moving forward. This is how real wealth begins. Not overnight, not with luck, but with consistent action. Starting now. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 99% of people who only dream about financial freedom. Now it's your turn to take the first step. And if you got value from this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Finance Compass, and share this with someone who wants to build something real from home. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what business do you want to start from home? I genuinely want to read your answers, and I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.